This disassembly of the flying horse is to recover the battery. First step would be to remove this switch cover and this piece, rubbery piece. Okay, now take off the mouthpiece, and there are two little catches located in here and the opposite side here. So you can take and cut the outer case here and here and here and here, and then the whole thing slides out by pushing in the charging hole, USB-C plug. This whole thing will slide out. Okay, I've cut the casing here, remove that. You can see the little catch right there. And the opposite side, remove that. There's the other little catch. Now they should all slide out. There you have it.